G'day, it's spring and it's time to get the beds ready for spring planting. But if you guys have got these raised garden beds like I have, you'll have noticed that over time, as the soil drops, it'll start pulling it in, and you'll see it's actually pulling it inwards. That's because as the soil drops, there are spreader bars in here to stop it from bulging out. But as the soil drops, it's compressing onto those spreader bars, pulling them in. So we got a solution for that. And I've already done it to the other beds, and now they're all back to being perfectly straight again. But it's very simple. You just dig a trench. I just use the tiny shovel like this because it makes it easier, and you only really need a narrow trench just to get down to it, down to where the spreader bars are. It's so easy in this soil because it's for planting, so it's very soft and easy. There's no digging as such, you're just shoveling the dirt out of the way, really. I can already feel it down there. I've struck gold. There it is. Oh, that one's really gone down, hasn't it? I'll show you in a second. If you look down here, as soon as I get a bit more out of the way, here's a spreader bar. There you can see it's gone right down. So all we do is we lift her up, straighten her out a bit, just like that. And my trusty crowbar, or anything really that you can find that is up to the job. Let's pull it out a bit. Just like that. Now there's two of these. There's another one further down. I'm just showing you this one for demonstration purposes. But if you don't want that to happen again, then use a little bit of timber of whatever you got lying around. Stick it down there, that'll hold it and it won't go down again. Now over time that timber will rot away and become part of the soil, but by then any compression that the soil would do to want to push that down again, it's already happened, so it won't really be pushing that down any further. So I'm going to keep on doing this. I've got the one underneath this one and two more on this side, and we'll get back to you when I start getting this ready for the spring planting like we've done here on this side, but with a bit of a twist, because I found something really grouse online. They're like 20 bucks, and it'll give you a way of getting rid of your kitchen scraps, attract the worms, and you'll be able to do away with your big compost bin, and it's actually putting the goodies into the garden bed all in one go. I reckon that's a pretty good idea. So I've already done it to these 3 other beds, and that's them there. And you just keep putting all your kitchen scraps in there. The worms love you. Your garden bed will love you and produce even more. I reckon that's great. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We love that.